I'm Jessica. This is Sammy, my daughter. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and do the Ipsy unboxing, and this is for the month of August. So I'm gonna go ahead and I already opened it just to save time. And this is the Glam Bag X curated by Halsey, as you can see right there. So it has like a little newspaper type of thing, and basically inside it gives you like the breakdown of her picks and why she chose them and all the prices. So obviously I'm gonna go through everything that I got in the box and tell you the prices of everything that I got. I do like the items that she picked. She picked some really good items in here, especially brands that I know that I've used, you know, before. So like I said, this is it. And if you guys can, please subscribe to her channel, Sammy and You 21. I always link it here at the top. And before I get started, guys, I wanted to show you something very, very exciting that my sister-in-law got for me, and I cannot wait to get into it. And I haven't opened it just because I wanted to show you guys first. So she got me the Pink Religion Jeffree Star Cosmetics, his new eyeshadow palette, guys. Do you guys see this, how beautiful? It looks like an actual book. It feels like a book. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it really quick. It does, it's beautiful.
I know it looks like
it's completely different, obviously, from everything. So it's like that. And you can see it right there. And then once you open it, guys, look at this.
The color I like.
Look at that beauty, guys.
The cat. I'm gonna blind everyone.
I know. It has the mirror and then all his pink shades right there. Guys, it's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to do a look on this. So let me know if you guys want to see, like I said in my other video. Hold on. I think that's better, right?
Yeah.
So, like I said, those are all his shades. They have the names. They have imprints in them.
I like it.
So thank you so much to my sister-in-law for getting this for me.
Pretty.
She knows my obsession. She got one for her as well, and we're dying to use it. So let us know in the comments below if you want to see any looks with any of the Jeffree Star eyeshadow palettes, especially the recent ones that we just got. So then we're gonna go ahead and open the Ipsy box. So it came in the purple box. If you guys see me looking outside, it's because they're working in the backyard. But let me go ahead and this is everything inside. And we're gonna go ahead and put it here. Sorry guys, my desk is like super dirty from all the makeup.
Can I pick up this thing?
Okay, go. She's excited. You guys always tell me in the comments she gets excited about these boxes. So
a palette.
We got
crystal palette.
Eyeshadow palette. It's
crystal palette.
Moonlight Crystal palette. Which, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I was supposed to get these items, which I'll show you. And I guess for some reason they sent me like 3 wrong items. But I did contact them and they said they will be sending them. So I was supposed to
receive stuff?
No, I don't know. So I wasn't supposed to receive that item. I was supposed to receive something else instead. But I mean, I don't know what happened. And then while she opens it, oh, that's pretty.
Aww.
So this is the packaging. Purple, pinks.
This is how I look.
And then these are the shades in the back. Right there. And then it has a little card. And it shows like a woman and a lion. Right there. And it says, tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unflattering in conviction and clout. ATHR Beauty in collaboration with Cosmic Collage. So like that in the back. It's gorgeous. So those are the shade names. Yeah, just leave it there. And it's when you open it.
Pretty.
Oh yeah. Hello beautiful. We have removed the mirror and the magnets inside to be more sustainable. So it's more sustainable packaging. It does not have a mirror, and it tells you why right there in the description. So they look like triangles, and then these are the names. So basically it's like full moon, psych, insight, moon dust, spirit, and it's like purples and blues and silvers, so they're very sparkly, and some mattes in there as well. So it's like that. So then let me go ahead and hold this so we can see the price for this one. And And then we'll go ahead and put the little card back.
I want to see.
I'm gonna most probably leave this one for a giveaway, just because I have so many eyeshadows, and that's exactly why I did not swatch. And it's like lifted. Let me see.
Do it backwards.
No, it should be here somewhere. Let me see.
When you open it.
That shows it right there. Oh, it's $58. It's
That's
Moonlight Crystal
expensive.
Palette. Yes,
You got something expensive.
it's up there. But I love it. Like I said, I will be leaving it for a giveaway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back just the way that it came. So look out for a giveaway coming up again. Then I'm gonna pick up the Volition. It's a Glow Awakening Moisturizer. And it looks like that in a white packaging with like pink and rose gold. It says clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. And then it says, we exist to make the best clean beauty with you, for you. And then it tells you how to use it, and then the ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It's very heavy, guys, like extremely heavy. Look at that packaging, how beautiful.
Pretty.
It's very pretty, right?
What is it for?
And then, oh wow, it's super thick. As you can see, look, it's like super bouncy right there. It smells clean, but I'm not gonna touch it just in case. So it's like a moisturizer that you can use, apply to face, neck, twice a day. And then we're gonna go ahead and see how much that was. Hold on, mama. So that was $39.
Again.
And it's 2 fluid ounces. So that's that. Your turn. What did you get?
Crystal infused natural perfume mist.
So we got a perfume?
Yeah.
Really? Let me see. I've never received a perfume before in none of my Ipsy boxes. So it comes like that, and like a little blue packaging. Guys, let me know if you could see if it's focusing or not. We're still trying to play around with it. Oh, wow. So it has a silver lid.
Rocks.
And then Define Me, Kahana, Aquamarine. And guys, it has crystals inside. I don't know if you guys can see little crystals right there moving. All right, you ready to spray?
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and see. Oh, I love it. Smell.
It smells good, but
It smells
strong.
Yes, it's definitely strong, but it smells like
I like
the
crystal.
ocean. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It says scent wave, hibiscus, delicate pink pepper, coconut water, white orchid, santal, and blonde woods. It does smell woody. Yes. And then it says Kahana inspires relaxation, mindfulness, and a feeling of being transported to a tranquil place. So guys, if I would go to like a spa or like somewhere in the beach, this is something that I would expect it to smell like. It smells delicious. And again, it's called Define Me. So then we're gonna go ahead and search for the price. Define Me. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, right here. Number 8. It's
$20.
Define Me Fragrance Crystal Infused Natural Perfume. It's $40, guys. 40 bucks. It says it right there. Number 8 in the... It is. Alright, so my turn. I see Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and I'm super excited. I have only one other thing, and it's the Flower Bomb lip gloss thing, which that thing is amazing. If you guys haven't tried it, you need it. So Fenty Beauty, this is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Obviously the beautiful packaging. And then, oh my goodness, even more beautiful, it's the mascara itself. It's like rose gold, right? Yeah, rose gold and black. Like that. And it's Cause I'm Black. That's the name. And then let me see the wand. Oh yes, I love that. Look at that wand.
Ooh.
Beautiful. So then let me put, I haven't had a good mascara in a while, guys. I have a couple and I'm not liking any of them at all. So let me go ahead and see the Fenty mascara. Mama, let me know if you see it. I think it was on the first page, right? Yes. Fenty Beauty Volume Lift and Curl Mascara, $24. Obviously, like I said, in all my videos, there are all full-size products. So that's why, you know, they're expensive. What is that?
4-piece brush set.
Complex Culture. First.
Wait.
Gray packaging, the white with the name right there. Like she said, it's a 4-piece brush set. So let's see how much that one was. Let me see.
These are the brushes.
Let me see. Does it have like the names?
No.
Complex. That's weird. That I don't see here at all. Complex Culture. Nope.
Not there.
Nope. So I'm not sure if it was like an extra or what could have happened there. But whatever, like she said, they're, let me go ahead and see. And they don't have names on them? Yes. This is the all over shadow brush. So it's like, obviously, I would call it a blending brush. But now I can't put these in.
Put it in.
And I don't want to mess it up, yeah. Oh, because you're supposed to do this to the bottom. Oh. And then it just protects it. So it has a little sleeves. And then this one is the Precision Eyelid Brush. And then this one is a flat one, the Easy Crease Definer. I'm trying to pull this out like that.
This is all over highlight powder.
Brush?
Brush.
Yes. So you can highlight. That would be actually perfect to highlight right there. Beautiful. I love these. I'm excited about these. You like them?
Yeah.
Here, you can put them in the packaging. Like I said, I couldn't find them here, which is really strange. I don't know why they're not giving any information on that, but no idea. All right, so let's move on. I see this in like a little bubble wrap. So let's see what this is. All right, this is Light Lock Powder. About Face is the brand. So the packaging is like that, and you can either like rip it here in the middle, or you can just lift like one of the little. Oh guys, look at this packaging. I've never seen anything like that before. Gorgeous. It has like a little lift thing right there, and then you lift it. It's a mirror, and it's powder.
I see it.
This Bliss is the shade. Oh wow, guys, this is a highlight. And when I tell you that is pigmented, I mean, wow.
Very bright.
Look at that. Let me put a little bit on you. Oh, I love that. Let me see. It's like a champagne white. Super pretty. I love that. That's gorgeous. Especially this packaging. I've never seen anything like that before. Alright, and then I know that one's in here because I did see it. And then it says About Face Powder. It's 30 bucks, guys. Glass-like finish. That's what Halsey says in the little newspaper thing. Apply this on your cheeks, chin, nose, and eyes for a megawatt glow. And that's exactly what it reminds me of. And it turns into like a gold. It's so strange. But, alright, next item.
This is triple peptide eye
cream. Dr. Brandt. So obviously we know it's super expensive. And then the Dr. Brandt eye cream is $82, guys. Dr. Brandt skincare. Don't forget your brow bone, lids, and crow's feet when applying this eye cream. Beautiful. Let me see. I've gotten so many Dr. Brandt items in my Ipsy bags, guys. So it's like a white cream for under eyes. It smells like skincare. No, don't play. Don't play. But yeah, like I said, so far this is the most expensive item in here. $82. Alright, we're gonna put that one away. And then the last thing I see, which is super cute, it comes like a little clear drawstring bag. Let me see if I can open it because I think it has, I'll just break it, whatever. And then it's 2 eyelashes. It's Violet Boss, and then one is Sexy and I Know It. Comes in the black packaging. Super gorgeous. Like that. And then this one is I Do Not Care. And then the pink packaging. And gorgeous as well. I hope you guys can see them right there. So 2 of these. Which I'm glad, you know, they didn't give just not only one. And then let me go ahead and see how much are the eyelashes. Violet Boss. 20 bucks. 20 bucks, guys. Super, super cute. I'm excited about that. And yeah, the only thing that I'm missing that I was supposed to receive is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter, which is the primer that comes in like the little round thing. And that's 52 bucks, which I was supposed to get.
That's a lot.
And I did it. And then I was supposed to get the Herbivore Botanical Space Oil, which is like another skincare. And that was $72. But like I said, I guess they mixed up my products.
$72? That's a lot.
Yes, skincare is expensive. So like we said, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. 8 items, guys, which I am super excited about. Like I said, I love these boxes. She does too. I mean, we always get like such a different variety of things, and you know how they explain it, everything, and all the prices. And this is the bigger one, which I think is like every this is like every 3 months or something like that. But I'll leave all the information down below as always. And let me know what you guys thought about the items. If you guys think that I got good items, and if you do receive the Ipsy, what do you guys get? That's it. You want to see any? Did you like the box?
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10? Me too, guys. Really good products in here. Name brands, obviously things that we already know. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope you keep on liking and enjoying my videos.
Subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like. Comment below. What would you like to see next? We have a lot of ideas. It's just we're trying to find the time with, you know, work and the baby and everything. And we're trying to figure out. Leave us some comments or ideas below of what you guys would like us to do together. Like hauls or boxes or shopping for each other or anything like that. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.